Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Earth on your desktop. To do that, simply open a web browser and look for Google Earth. There you will find the first link, which is google.com/earth. Go ahead and click on it. Once the website loads, to the top left of the window you'll find Earth versions. Click on it. A new website will load and you'll have three options. Go to Google Earth Pro on desktop. Click it and it will take you down to the download Earth Pro on desktop. Click on it and a new pop-up will appear. Accept and download. It will download an installer. Once you have it, double click on it and follow the instructions on the screen. After it's done, you'll have Google Earth on your desktop. Once the installation process is done, you should have an icon on your desktop. If you don't see it, look for it under your applications. Double click on it and a new loading screen should appear. This is Google Earth loading. After it's done loading, the application should open up. For it to work, you need to have access to the internet. That way, you will be able to see the map. With this in mind, we'll show you in the next video how to add points and polygons to help you out with your network design. Thank you.